Here are 5 ways to get your home ready for sale. Number 1, clean the outside. And a lot of people are underestimating how important it is to make sure that your outside of the home is completely clean. What do I mean by that? If you have winter tires sitting on your driveway, please make sure you get rid of them, because when a new buyer comes in and they're driving and have 10 seconds to judge the home, you want to make sure that they're going into your home with a positive mindset. So please clean it up, make sure the curb appeal looks beautiful, because this will make a difference. Make sure the front door is inviting. What do I mean by that? If you try to open your door and it squeaks, you have to use oil to make sure it doesn't squeak anymore. I know most people don't even think about it, but it's that one thing that if a new buyer comes in and they're noticing that the door squeaks, they will right away ask themselves what else is wrong with this house. So by just spraying quick oil, it will make a big difference. And again, all we're doing is we're focusing on the positive things about your home. So the squeaking door is a quick fix, but it's a big change. The other thing that I always recommend my sellers is, let's get an inspector to come in before we list the home. And what do I mean by that? The moment you have an inspector spending 2 to 3 hours going over the home, making sure that anything that needs to be repaired is repaired, will help you on the sale of your home. In other words, when you have an inspector coming in a week before we go on the market, and the inspector goes and finds all the small details that could potentially affect the sale of the house, if you have enough time and you get everything sorted out before going on the market, this will make a big difference, and guess what? It will make you even more money when it comes to selling of your home. So follow my advice, please. Get an inspector. It will cost you about $200, max $250. It will take you 3 hours of your day, but it will definitely benefit you in the long term when it comes to, first of all, waiving the inspection condition, potentially the finance condition, and second and thirdly, it will help you make sure that you know of any issues in your home prior to going to the market. So make sure that you do that, please. Now, this is something that it's not obvious, but as a buyer and someone who helps buyers, removing personal items from your home is a significant thing that you have to remember. Your family photos might look amazing for you, which is great, but to another buyer, they want to feel that they're home. They want to make sure that when they're walking to the home, they can imagine and feel that this is their home. They don't want to see another family currently living in this home, even though that's the case. So do me a favor, please. Take out any personal items, any paintings, any pictures that show weddings, babies. Yes, babies are cute, but remember, it's your babies, not their babies. They want to feel that it's their home. So remove those items, have abstract paintings throughout. Make sure the home is inviting, because the goal is to sell your home for the most amount of money. This is the last one that I really want to make sure. Make sure every surface of your home is clean. A lot of people are underestimating, and they are leaving light fixtures with dust. Maybe in the pictures you won't be able to see it, but when someone walks around and sees dust on the light fixture, there is nothing worse than that. So why not take 5 hours, extra 5 hours, have a cleaning crew, making sure that everything, all the dust, all the corners, including the baseboards, people are missing that point, but baseboards collect dust. Make sure you clean them out. Light fixtures, toilets, washrooms, showers, make sure that you clean it, because in the long term, your job is to impress the buyer. By spending 4 or 5 hours of cleaning, and if you hire a cleaning lady at about $30 an hour, that's $150, but in the reality, it will translate to thousands of dollars in return. Make sure you do it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. I'm always here for you, so feel free to reach out.